Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this Selenium with Python series. In last video, I have covered continue, break and pass statement. So today I am going to cover class and object in Python. So let's start. So we are saying that Python is object-oriented programming language. Means everything in Python is an object with properties and methods. And class is nothing but it is a blueprint which is used to create object. So consider general life example. Suppose we want to build our house. So for building our house, we require blueprint or we require house plan. Okay. So according to that plan, we will construct our building. So once building is ready, then that building, ready building, it is nothing but it is a object, and the blueprint or the house plan, which we have initially used for creating building, that is nothing but our class. So class is nothing but it is a virtual entity which holds variables and methods. Okay, and this is used for creating object. So let's see the syntax for class. So for creating class, we have to use this keyword class, and we have to give the name. So I'm giving name as a first. Okay, and I have to put semicolon. So here, class name should always start with capital letter. Now, class is having in variables and methods. So I am defining one variable x, which is having value as a high. Okay, and I will define one more method here as a say hello. So for defining method, I have to use this def. This stands for define, and I have to give the method name. So I will give method name as say hello. I have to give this round bracket. Okay, then colon, and I'm just printing hello. So I have defined class with one variable and one method. Now I want to print this hello, or I want to execute this hello method. So suppose I right click on this and execute. Then see, I'm not getting any output, and even program is executed, but I'm not getting any output. Why? Because we are saying that class is a virtual entity. Okay, it will just give me the blueprint, or it is just a skeleton or a structure. For actual entity is nothing but our object. So here we have to, if we want to print this, we want to execute this say hello method, or if I want to print this x value as a high, we have to create object, then only it will give me the result. So we'll see how to define object. So I'm giving variable name as object equals to, here I have to just define first. This is my class name. So by using this, we can create the object. So object we can create by using variable equals to, we have to just give the name of that class with round bracket. So this will give me the object. So object is nothing but it is a real time entity which is the copy of class only. Okay, but with actual values. So now suppose I want to print this value of x. Okay, so for accessing these variables, we just use object dot this x. By using this, we can access variables. Now I want to access this say hello method as well. So for that, we have to define this class and with say hello method. Now see, with class with this method name, class dot method name. Now if we see this say hello method, when I was defining this say hello, and if I give the this round bracket, then this self is automatically populated. Self it is nothing but it's a meaning is instance of a class. Okay, means if we want to access this say hello method, then we have to pass the instance of a class. Instance of class is nothing but object. So we have to pass here object. Okay, and if I execute this, then I'm getting output as a hi and hello. Hi is nothing but this x variable x value, and this hello, it is from say hello method. Means if we want to access the method from class, we have to do this in self or instance of a class, we have to pass, means object of class we have to pass. So one way is by using this we can do, and other way is we can write obj dot say hello. So another way is this, means we by using this statement also we can execute. So normally we will use this. So I will comment this first line. Okay, and now I will execute. I'm getting the hello as output. So suppose I want to access this x variable inside this method. Then, for example, suppose I want to print value of x here. Now see, I want to access this x variable, and this x variable, it is a class variable. Okay, so we as we have seen that self is used for accessing variables and methods of a class. So that's why we have to write like this, self dot x. Okay, now if I will remove these two lines. Okay, and now if I execute this program, so its output is hi and hello. So I will create one more object. Okay, obj equal to obj1 equal to first. Created two object, and two object are calling this say hello method. See, every object, it is a unique. So this object one is, it is different than this object one. Obj is different than this obj one, means every object is unique. And we are writing here self dot x. Why? Because self is nothing but instance of a class. Means if I am calling this obj one dot say hello, means that time this x, this instance, it is different. And if I'm saying obj1 dot say hello, then that time this self dot x, it is, this means another instance. So that's why we have to, if we want to access the variable inside the method, then we have to use this self dot x, means instance of that particular instance of the class. So these are about class and object. So class is nothing but it is a skeleton or virtual entity, or we can call it as a blueprint, which holds variable and methods. And in object, it is a real-time entity, or it is a copy of a class with actual values. So yeah, that's all from today's video. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, then please click on like and also press bell icon. Thank you.